Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Import Function tutorial series. This video will introduce you to the import function and explain when this feature can be used. The import function and template were created to help you streamline your record keeping and reduce your data entry. Once you have logged into the Campaign Finance e-filing system, you can use the import function for three sections: itemized contributions received, itemized expenditures made, and contributions made. These areas generally require the most data entry. Keep in mind, the import function is designed for users that have several entries in one or more of these fields. If you have just a few entries, you may wish to manually enter your data directly into the e-filing system. You can do so by clicking Add Edit. For demonstration purposes, we will show how to use the import function by completing the Itemized Contributions Received section. Click File, then select Import. Notice the Help and Hints window on the left-hand side of your screen. This window contains three links: a link to the File Import Specification document, a link to the File Import template, and a link to the tutorial you're watching now. This concludes our introduction to the import function tutorial. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll review the import specification document.